Addition video 4. We will continue with exercise 2H word problem. We have already completed up to 5 number. Today we will start with 6 number. A cycle factory produced 121 cycles in year 2001, 141 cycles in year 2002 and 196 cycles in year 2003. Find the total production of cycles in these 3 years. Here the number of cycle produced in 3 different years has been given to you. Now you have to add them and you have to find out that in these 3 years how many total production was done. So cycles are given, so we can count a cycle. So we will start the statement with number of. So we will write number of cycles produced in 2001, it is 121. Number of cycles produced in 2002, 146. Number of cycles produced in 2003, 196. Children, write properly the number under the place value so that it will be easy for you to calculate it. Last line, total number of cycles produced in 3 years. Now we have to add them. So it is 3 under 1's place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 it is 8, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 9 it is 15. So 5 here, carry 1 under 100 place. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, plus 1 it is 4. So you have got 458 cycles. Next, question number 7. A fisherman caught 101, 219 and 358 fishes on 3 successive days. Find the total number of fishes caught by him on these 3 days. Successive days means the first day, second day and the third day. So here we have to find out the total number of fish caught by the fisherman in these 3 days. So we have to start writing the statement with number of, because fishes we can count. So we'll write number of fishes caught on first day 101, number of fishes caught on second day 219, number of fishes caught on third day it is 358. Now total number of fishes caught on 3 days, we have to add them. So 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 8 it is 18, carry 1 under 10's place. Then 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 it is 7, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 it is 6. So we have got 678 fishes. Next, question number 8. In an election, there were 3 candidates. The first candidate got 509 votes, the second candidate got 172 votes and the third candidate got 312 votes. How many votes were polled in all? So here about 3 candidates they have given that in the election they have got this many votes, and at last you have to find out the total number of votes that was given in the election. So votes we can count. So we will start with number of. Number of votes first candidate got 509. Number of votes second candidate got 172. Number of votes third candidate got it is 312. So total number of votes polled. So now you have to add it. 1's place, 9 plus 2 it is 11. 11 plus 2 it is 13. So 3 we will write below 1's place and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 plus 7 it is 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. 100 place, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 it is 9. So total we got 993 votes. Now children, after the word problem we will do mental maths. Some of the questions from the mental math I am giving you in the notes and rest you have to do by yourself in your home copy. So the first question is given, find the sum of 251 and 100. So you have to add them, you have to find out the sum. So put the place value 1 tens 100, put the number below there, 251 plus 100. So you have to find out the sum, so you have to add them. 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 1 it is 3. Next question, add the greatest 2-digit number to the smallest 3-digit number. Here we have to first write which is the greatest 2-digit number, then the smallest 3-digit number, then we have to add both of them. So we will write first the greatest 2-digit number. So greatest 2-digit number is your 99 and smallest 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is your 100. Now we have to add them to find out the sum. So it will be 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9 and 1. So the answer is 199. Come to next question, question number 5. Find the sum of the place values of 5 in 515. So here the place value is asked. So we will write place value of 5s in 515. So put the place value, ones, tens, 100. So here 100 place, so you will write here 500. Another 5 is in ones place, so we will write only 5. So now we have to add it. So 0 plus 5, it is 5, 0, and here 5. So the answer is 505. So we can write here sum is equal to 505. Next question, number 6. Find the sum of the face value and the place value of 2 in 421. Here you have to find out the face value also and place value also. Children, face value means you have to write the number itself, and place value means in which place it is written. So we will write the first step. It is given as face value of 2 in 421. So we will write it as 2. Then we have to write place value of 2 in 421. So you have to put the place value. So it is ones, tens, 100. It is in place of tens. So we will write here 20. Now we have to find out the sum. So we will add them. So it is 2 plus 0 is 2, and here 2. So the answer is 22. Next, question number 10. 100 plus 10 plus 1. So you have to add it. So arrange them, and then you can add it. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 1, 1, and here 1. So the answer is 111. Thank you.